say that one.
The dog's not happy with me because I put him inside. But this thing is not wicking. And it's because these holes, is it going to, of course not. The holes are just too small for the wick. So what I was thinking of is I have wick that is a lot thinner. So I think I'm going to, before I start worrying about, God, this thing will not come off. Yeah, guess what? That is not coming off. The smallest screw is so tight, I can't get it off. I can't loosen it. Jesus. It won't. Yes, I'm doing lefty-loosey. Great. That's just perfect. And I'm going to strip it. Fuck. It came out no problem. This one. There it goes. Jesus. I loosened it for you. Yeah, let's get this out of here. Like, look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. It's just wrong. And the holes are freaking tiny. You see that? This thing does not want to. There we go. See how small those tiny holes? So, before I start worrying about maybe reaming those holes out, I think I will try this wick. See? Because that wick. There. So, let me see if I can get this fucking done. I'm going to do double, but then I'm going to cut it down where I go. No, okay. One more this way. Alright, so let's see if I get enough. I think I'm going to clip that. Because it just doesn't want to. Okay. That seems like it's pretty tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip it here. And if I can figure out which end is which. And clip it. And I just lost one of the screwdrivers. Hope I don't need that again. Okay. So look how simple that was to bring through. I don't know if I'm the first person that thought of this, but who knows. So yeah. So now, trim the ends of these. Let's see how that works. Alrighty. Okay, so there we have it. There's my coil. Why doesn't it? Oh. There's my coil. And you can see there's air around that hole now that the wick is coming out of. So with any luck, this will work. Of course not. Okay. Oh, I'm going to check the ohms on it. See what kind of coil I actually turned here. $2.7. Okay, sort of more than I wanted, but hey, what are you gonna do when you live in a shoe? There you go. We'll see how that wicks, but I mean, even if you do this, there's bubbles. You can see the bubbles, so instead of drilling bigger holes in those things, just get tighter wick and thinner wick. My solution anyway, because I don't have a drill. So I'm still not sure how this is going to wick, but in theory, the reason it wasn't wicking before was because the wick, I'll just show you the old wick next to a piece of the new wick that I put on. You can see that? The old wick was very fat. And I've seen videos of people trying to stuff that down those tiny holes when mine threaded through very well. I don't see a lot of bubbles, so hopefully this will wick better. Great vapor production. And if it doesn't wick better, I will let you know, but I think the other people's suggestions that you make those holes bigger with a drill, I think this might be a better solution for a person that doesn't own a drill. And this wick is tighter and it's a lot easier to wind your wire around than the fluffy stuff. So yeah, just another alternative. These are really cheap. And it wasn't as hard to get the tank off as I thought it was going to be. It's a little more pain in the butt than the NGP, because that wick assembly is all, you don't have to drain the juice in order to change it. So. But so far so good. Give it a try and see how you make out. For $15, it's a really good Genesis tank. You can get it wicking right. I'm losing the light, but this is the last few seconds of the video. Using it for about an hour or so. And when you feel like you're losing juice or it's not wicking, just give it a little tip and you'll see one bubble. And you're wicked. So, success. Smaller wick instead of trying to drill the holes. Check it out. ViVi tank. Doable, people.